This video is sponsored by Squarespace, more about them later. You know that one thing you always grab at Ikea, even if you came in for just one single item? Yeah, I've got 10 of those. In today's video, I'm sharing my ride or die Ikea products, the ones I keep coming back for over and over again. From cleaning supplies to everyday basics that just work, these are my forever faves I always get on my Ikea trips. But first, if you're new here, hi, I'm Man, and this is my dog Mars, and we love all things Ikea DIY and interior design. So before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell, and hit that like button to never miss another video again. Now let's go! The first product I always grab at Ikea is the PÄRKLA Storage case. At just $1.99, this one's basically a no-brainer. It's lightweight, folds flat when not in use, and is perfect for storing off-season clothes, shoes, extra linens, or even craft supplies. I always end up tossing a few of these in my cart because you can never have too much hidden storage, especially when it's this affordable and durable. The next product I always get at Ikea is the ADLAD Scented Hanger. This was a $1.99 little luxury I never leave Ikea without. These tiny indulgences are super easy to loop onto your regular hangers so your clothes stay smelling fresh without any effort. I just love tucking them into closets and storage bins too. They just add that subtle, clean scent that makes everything feel extra put together. Next one is the RINNIG Dish brush, which is my go-to every single Ikea trip. This one's simple, sleek, and actually looks so nice by the sink, which is rare for a dish brush. The bristles hold up surprisingly well, they last for months, and the best part is that it has a suction cup on the end so you can actually stick it upright or inside your sink and keep your countertop mess-free. I love it, and I use a few of them for rinsing my dishes and cleaning. And speaking of kitchen gems, the next Ikea item I always toss in my cart are the SVAMPIG Sponges. These used to come in white and gray, but now you can get them only in this greenish color. Now, not only do you get a pack of 3 for just $1.49, but honestly, they are way better than most sponges I've tried. They're soft, durable, and the perfect in-between of gentle and scrubby. I go through a ton of these, so I always stock up. They're a total unsung hero in my kitchen. Next up are the JUBLA Unscented candles that come in a pack of 20 for just $9.99. These slim beauties are just perfect for when you want cozy candlelight without any added scent getting in the way. I always keep a pack on hand because they fit all of my candle holders, they last forever, and they instantly make any space feel warmer and way more inviting. Now let's take a quick break so I can tell you about today's sponsor, Squarespace, which is the ultimate platform for creating stunning websites. First, let's talk about their domain services, which are just unbelievable. When you purchase a domain through Squarespace, you get free SSL security, privacy protection, and unlimited email forwarding all included. It's such a practical one-stop solution that saves you time and keeps everything organized in one place. What I've been loving lately is also their print-on-demand feature. It's just such a smart solution if you want to sell custom merchandise without dealing with inventory or shipping. You just upload your design and Squarespace handles everything else. It's just perfect for creators looking to expand their brand with minimal hassle. Not to mention their social media integration. You can easily connect all your social platforms directly to your website, display your latest posts, and even sell products directly through Instagram and Facebook. It just makes managing your online presence so seamless and professional. So if you want to create a website or an online store, head on to squarespace.com for a free trial. And when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/homebymon to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to my Ikea list. The next thing I always get at Ikea is the SKYNKE Shopping bag. I mean, just $149 for the best shopping bag ever. It's lightweight but super sturdy, folds up tiny for your purse or glove box, and can handle way more groceries than you'd expect. I never ever leave the store without grabbing a couple of these. They're just perfect for everyday use and way cuter than your average plastic bag. And speaking of bags, the next Ikea item I always grab on my Ikea trips are the ISTAD Reusable bags. These zipper bags come in so many different sizes, so whether you need to pack snacks, organize small items, or just stash leftovers, there is an ISTAD for every job. I'm always picking up a fresh bag because these are just so handy to have around the house. I even use them in the freezer for meal prepping, packing Marcy's food, and so many different things around my home. Loving them so much. The next Ikea product I always grab on my trips are the TRYSSE hangers. Now these are so affordable and I don't buy any other hangers. I'm just hooked to these. They are sleek and sturdy, but what I love most is the fact that they feature a non-slip design that keeps your clothes right where they belong. No more slipping off and ending up in a pile on the floor, which is amazing. I always grab a pack or two because good hangers just make all of the difference. The next item I always grab on my Ikea trips are the MOTTAGA Paper napkins. Now these are a bit pricier. They come at $6.99 for a pack of 25. However, they're super soft, extra absorbent, and come in a simple, elegant design that is just perfect for a fancy table setting. They're honestly the simplest way to give that extra touch of aesthetic and seriously level up everyday meals and gatherings. Plus, I love the fact that they come in black, makes them look extra elegant. And the last Ikea product I always stock on is this OAT drink for coffee. I've talked about this oat milk on my channel before. It's seriously my favorite for making the creamiest foam. It's perfect for matchas, lattes, or just upgrading your morning coffee game. It's so hard to find oat milk I really like, and I totally love how this one tastes. It's smooth, lightly sweet, and totally plant-based, making every sip feel like a little treat. And that's a wrap on my top 10 Ikea products I always grab on every trip. Are these some of your go-to grabs too? Or you have another list? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more Ikea finds and tips, and ring that notification bell to never miss another video again. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you designers next week. Bye! So I think Mars was awake at the beginning of this video. Let's go wake him up again. Hey, you're so pretty. You're so pretty. You know that? You're so pretty. Mars. Are you tired of your little brother? Are you so tired of your little brother? Oh my god, Mars. I'll let you sleep in your favorite spot. Bye-bye, guys. See you next week.